Hello again, it's me, lost in the forest, once again. I'm lost in the forest, lost in the forest, lost in the forest, you can help me. Lost in the forest, walking on the board. Hope nobody comes by and thinks I'm crazy. Here we go, we're going over a bridge. I'm scared because I think a tiger or a fox, a lion is following me. Yes. Yes. I'm very scared. Maybe just behind me. I saw a panda also. I saw a fox. I saw bears coming after me. There are all kinds. Giraffe horses coming after me. I think they want to kill me and eat me. I think I even saw sharks coming after me. It's crazy. Anyways, here's boulder. Here is the big border for you. Take a look. You like the forests? You like the nature? Yes. Yes. Let's go to library. Wait, before we go up library, we come here, spider web, and we look at this thing. What is this? A squirrel. Squirrel also wants to follow me. No, I cannot see very well. I will move on. Floor, leaves, library is coming up. I will not talk normal in this video. That is supposed to be funny. I don't know if it's funny or not. I know I'm bored. I am very bored. Yes. I'm going up to Saint Laurent Library, Ville Saint Laurent. After forest. Maybe I sell my car again. I don't know. Anyways, you can see the right of the library, the forest. Some berries there. I don't want to go there. I'm afraid of people. Okay. And now we go down the big steps. It's 1, 2, 3. Und 2, 3. Und 2, 3. Und 1 at a time. 1, 2, 3 in German. Yes, I don't know if I'm supposed to be German or Eastern European or Brazilian. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I don't want to bore you anymore with this bullshit, so I'll hang up. I'll stop the filming, and hopefully the animals of the rainforest will not come after me anymore. I was scared for the tiger and the lion that was coming after me. Anyways, maybe I try to sell my car again later for you to see video. Thank you and bye bye.